If you need help with any part of this installation, simply call TELUS Smart Home Technical Support at 1-855-255-8828. You can install the doorbell yourself if your home has been pre-wired for a doorbell via a low-voltage power source. Even though it's low voltage, you may want to turn off the breaker during installation as a precaution. But first check that your home meets all the installation requirements before you begin. Feel free to contact the TELUS Help Center if you're not sure. You can tell if you have a mechanical door chime by removing the cover and checking to see if there is a metal chime that is physically hit with a striker. You can tell if you have a digital door chime by removing the cover and checking to see if there is a speaker that plays the doorbell sound. If you do have a digital doorbell, you'll need to install the SkyBell digital doorbell adapter accessory and activate a setting in the app. Next, start by removing the existing doorbell from the wall and disconnecting the wires. Be careful the wires don't slip back into the wall. If you're mounting on stone, brick, or concrete, use the included masonry drill bit and insert the anchors. Next, you'll want to connect these wires to the terminals on the mounting bracket.
Make sure the wire connectors are at the bottom of the backplate so the doorbell will mount right side up.
Just loosen the screws a bit, insert the wires beneath the screws, ensuring to press them down into the slots of the backplate, and tighten them again so that the heads are flush. Be careful not to touch the wires together while you do this, or it may cause a short. Once the wires are connected, fit them neatly into the tracking on the backplate so that the unit fits together snugly.
Once mounted, if you turned off the breaker, it can now be turned back on.
Then, slide the top of the doorbell camera down onto the mounting bracket and push the front of the doorbell camera toward the wall. Gently tighten the set screw on the bottom of the camera. The final step is connecting the doorbell by using the TELUS Smart Home application on your phone. Log into the TELUS Smart Home app. Click on the menu button on the top left corner. Select Add Device. Select Doorbell Camera. Follow the steps within the app and make sure you connect to the SkyBell network. Now the camera's LED should light up and your installation is complete.